To transfer money from Payoneer to Zelle, you first need to have a Payoneer account and a Zelle account. If you don't have these accounts, you will need to create them. Once you have both accounts, you can follow these steps. First, log into your Payoneer account and make sure you have sufficient funds in your account. Then, click on the Make a Payment or Withdrawal option, and select the Bank Transfer option. You will need to add your bank account details, which should be the same bank account linked to your Zelle account. After adding your bank account details, enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. The funds will be transferred to your bank account, which may take a few days to process. Once the funds are in your bank account, you can transfer them to Zelle. To do this, log into your Zelle account and click on the Send Money option. Enter the recipient's email address or phone number, and the amount you want to transfer. Make sure to review the transaction details carefully before confirming the transfer. The recipient will receive the funds directly into their bank account, usually within minutes. It is essential to note that there may be fees associated with transferring money from Payoneer to Zelle, such as transfer fees or currency conversion fees. You should check the fees before making the transfer to avoid any unexpected charges. In addition, ensure that your Payoneer and Zelle accounts are properly linked to your bank account to avoid any issues during the transfer process. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money from Payoneer to Zelle. Remember to always review the transaction details carefully and check for any fees before confirming the transfer.